Welcome to English with Jim. Today we are going to learn some very useful and smart English phrases that will help you talk about technology and predict the future. The shape of things to come. This describes what we can expect in the future, such as changes in education or seeing more robots in factories. For example, digital textbooks are the shape of things to come in education, making learning more interactive. Or seeing robots in factories is the shape of things to come in manufacturing. The shape of things to come. Only a matter of time. This suggests that something will happen soon and is definitely going to happen, such as the widespread adoption of electric cars. For example, with the popularity of electric cars, it's only a matter of time before they become the norm, the usual. They will be everywhere. They kind of are already. Or, due to its age, it's only a matter of time before this old computer stops working. Old technology, it's going to break down. It's only a matter of time. The next big thing, predicting the newest trend or popular thing, such as the rise of artificial intelligence, like ChatGPT. Artificial intelligence is the next big thing in interactive entertainment. Or many thought that 3D TVs would be the next big thing, but they didn't live up to expectations. Nobody really seemed to care about 3D TVs. So, the next big thing. What is the most popular thing on the horizon? In the pipeline. Things that are being planned or made, like upcoming movies or company layoffs. The film industry has some exciting blockbuster movies in the pipeline, or rumors are circulating about potential layoffs in the pipeline, causing anxiety among employees. People are going to be laid off, they're going to be fired. They're anxious, understandably. So, in the pipeline, things that are planned. A sign of the times. Now, this highlights characteristics of a particular era, such as the commonality of seeing people wearing masks, or the shift from traditional print media to digital media. The prevalence of masks is a sign of the times in the COVID era. Or the decline in print media sales is a sign of the times, with more people turning to digital media. So you don't see as many people reading newspapers. This is a sign of the times. More people are reading from their tablets or smartphones. The writings on the wall. Now, this indicates obvious signs about future changes, such as someone about to lose their job or cancellation of a favorite TV show. Given the continuous decline in viewership, the writings on the wall for the cancellation of this TV show. So, people aren't watching, it's going to be canceled. The writings on the wall. Or, after several warnings about poor performance, the writings on the wall that John will be fired soon. So, he had a lot of warnings and continued to perform poorly. So, he's going to be fired. The writing is on the wall. It's going to happen. All right, that is it. That wraps it up. I hope these phrases help you talk about technology and predict the future. If you like the lesson, please like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Take care.